Hello and welcome to Big Red 440. So today I'm doing some work on the daughter's car, which you'll see in another video, but it's going to be my first time using this impact wrench. I bought it Harbor Freight. It was on clearance for 18 bucks. So we'll give her a try and see how she works. Never had an impact wrench, or impact, yeah, I guess it's called impact wrench. So let's see how it works. Well, here's the wrench. I had to put a fitting on the end here. I don't know. It's shiny, so let's see how it works. Are they supposed to be this hard to get a socket on? Maybe that's why it was on sale. Alright, well, let's try a different socket. So I bought these specifically for doing this. They're actually impact driver sockets. So I guess I'll have to try. I guess we're going to go with the Craftsman. Hopefully it doesn't break. That one slides right on, so those sockets I got for the impact on that. Bring those back because they don't fit. Alright, got the air compressor already hooked up. Ooh. Reverse. Alright. So this will be my first time using an impact gun. Wish me luck. Wow. It's a good thing I used it on that. This lug nut was cross-threaded on here. Alright, well that's the first time using my air gun. Whoa. Looks like I'm going to have to wear gloves using this. I got oil on my coming out of here. Is that normal? I don't know. If you know, leave me a comment in the comments. And well, there you go. That works. Hopefully that's normal. And thanks for watching.